Morning everyone, I'm Changi, this is Bricklaying, and today we're on plot 269 and we're going to get this block work complete, the second lift, so they can put the joists on. All we've got to do is run the block work all the way around and get some splits on as well, so one course of block, one course of splits. Let's get it done. Can you do us some splits? We have mortar. Right, now we can get going. I've loaded everything out, all the blocks and splits are up. The only problem we got now is it's only 1.2 degrees. We've got to wait till it gets to 2 and rising. So we'll get these sorted. Alright Sean? If you want to fold your essay up, here's an easy way. This is the way we do it. Drape it straight over the side, let it hang down to the bottom. Have a look, Sean. Straight down to the bottom, and all you do is just keep pulling it up arm's length and then take it back over. Keep pulling it up, and that's the quick way. Give it a shake out. Fold it up, dead easy. This is a bloody quite a big length. Either at all. That's it. Job done. I'll put that with the other pile. Essay sorted. A little one about trays. What you should do is clean them out first. We get them nice and clean. Give them a good rid out, and then just fold them up, roll them over. It's a little tip for you, and then you can just lay everything on the back, and then as soon as you've done that, you can roll these straight back over, and everything's clear. Do that all the way around. Us done. So now we're going to go across to the other job at Baldwin's Gate and see what's going on up there. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell in the corner next to the subscribe button and select all. That is it. We are off to the next job. Baldwin's Gate, here we come. Alright Dave. Hey. Did a little pit stop to the shop. Where is he? He's all the way in there somewhere. Our Sean. He's getting a little refreshment for himself. My beautiful little boy. Here he is. Come on Baba. Come on Baba. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Come on, Sean. What have you got? Yes. Let's see how he's cupping his cream egg, look. I've seen it. When we got to the other job, the forks had broken down. It needs a new tyre replacement. So we checked out some of the plots. Plot 80 has got the trusses up and ready. It's just missing a couple of trusses on the pinny, which isn't a big problem. I've seen the joiners. They're going to get that done tomorrow or the day after. Plot 81 next door, I must have said 80 then, 81. Trusses are on there, ready for us. So we can get that loaded up as soon as the forks has got the tyre mended. Plot 87 further across, got the scaffold first lift on. So that just needs a ladder. And plot 83 just needs inspection. The inspector's coming out Thursday. So we've got 4 plots nearly ready. We've got 2 plots ready. 2 plots that just need 2 items doing. And then plot 86, that's ready for the handrails to go on the first lift of scaffold. So we're cracking, but non-productive afternoon. So we just came home, give it another go tomorrow.